So, come here. Hey, don't you have to get you on video? Don't you run away from me? Don't you run away from me? But I love you, I love you, I love you. Where are we, Luke?
Our favourite shop in the world. Not really, they're kind of overpriced.
Bunnings. Yeah, they are pretty overpriced. Clean up
Oh
this.
no, don't tell me they don't have them. Hey mate, it's what, 40s? Alright, I'll jump to it, but I can't be bothered.
Get it.
That's cool as.
Back at Lukey's place. Does this make you dizzy? Because it's making me dizzy. Oh.
He's gonna go. He's gonna go.
Yes, it's next couple of weeks later. I don't really. A week later.
About a week later.
Week later, yeah. Next
We
week.
haven't been that slack lately.
What we have to do today is we're just gonna drill some holes in the roof.
Lots of
16 holes, 16 speed holes in the. Ooh, that's looking bright. Yeah, 16 speed holes in the roof. It's for aerodynamics
and weight reduction.
and weight reduction. And we're gonna bolt the
Brackets.
the old brackets.
And the rib nuts. Anyone doesn't know what a rib nut is?
Yeah. For those who don't know what a rib nut is,
It's a giant rivet.
let's just focus that bad boy right there. There we go.
It's got a thread in it, if you can see that. When that goes in, it squashes and bulges out like a rivet, and yeah.
Yeah, let's hope it holds my roof on. Holds the roof rack on. Anyway, let's get started. Moment of truth. Will a rib nut work in a roof?
Truth in a roof.
Moment of roof.
Truth.
Truth roof. Anyway. Truth. Hey, there we are. So I'm just admiring Luke's welds. Check these bad boys out. Look at that. Someone said that's TIG welded.
Mig like TIG. It's focused on you now, Sam. What do you got to say? But he's a good guy, so that makes up for it.
Thanks so much, guys.
Is it? Should I be worried about the sensor or not? All right, send it.
Oh yeah. Cool, big old hole.
I heard a hole sound.
Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this to Luke because I suck at welding.
Practice makes perfect.
Alright, I'll try the other side. Yep.
It really doesn't weigh much at all.
No, it really doesn't. Woo! We got it. So we've edge primed it. The old thing. Wait, where are you?
I swear, if we decide we're doing another project in galvanized,
No.
I'm gonna kill you.
So, drill holes in Jimny roof.
R.I.P. Jimny.
RIP watertight Jimny.
I zoomed it.
Alright, ready?
Why is it not zoom very fast? Is there a setting for that?
If you stop recording and then you zoom.
Oh, it goes faster?
I'm pretty sure
I'll
it's a
let it
setting
go.
I can change. Alright, you ready for this?
Go for it. I've never drilled a hole in a car before.
Let alone the roof. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't even can't see it.
Make sure you're nice and straight too, yeah? You gotta go
Yeah.
like back that way so
Oh, yeah.
the roof's on an angle. Was it the black one or was it just before the
The
black
black one is 12.
Alright, hold on. I'll go get a nutset.
This is why you live though, right?
Yeah, to drill holes in cars.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I reckon this is gonna fit.
Oh, that doesn't.
We need to whack it in. I was going to deform it a little.
I didn't want to whack it in because I want to be able to seal it. Is that 14 or 12?
I'm just getting to the 14.
Alright.
I reckon the 14 will be alright.
I think the 14 will be fairly snug. They do mushroom out quite a lot. That's it. That's the 14.
That's a 14mm hole. Ooh! 14mm hole in the roof.
Well, alright, so you want to nut set. We'll put a bit of goo on that. And
Yeah.
Sorry, oh, hold on. Let's get that.
Oh, excuse me. Got it?
It's kind of focusing.
Yeah, sure. Should be right. It's like welding, really.
Have their own lives. I don't revolve around. Huh? Alright.
Yeah, sick.
I might jump.
Yeah. Alright, this is Luke's expertise of area.
So, you thread that onto the end. If I remember how to do this properly, otherwise I'm just going to leave it.
Yeah, good luck getting this out of my roof.
It's sealed up nicely. So, you go like that. And now you've got a thread in our... I'd let that dry before you... Alright, James is a professional.
I am.
No, James is impatient.
Dog's using it. What was that? I wrapped it up.
Several days later.
Good day! It is about a week later, yes, or a week or so. I'm on my way to Luke's place again. Now, the roof rack is done, and we'll show you that a bit more of that later. But not gonna lie, it's not really quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty loud in here. Now, what I think is happening is the pole fencing that we've welded in is vibrating. When the wind hits it, it's like 16 giant guitar strings on the roof. Funny, but it's not really practical. So I'm going to Luke's place. We're going to wrap this video up, but we're also going to weld in a piece of steel rod in the center of the mall. So yeah, see you there. Oh, welcome back to the shed. Sal, we have a new member of the Jukemods family. Sal, come here. Sal. Oh, that's embarrassing. Sal, come here. Hey, don't, you have to get you on video. Don't you run away from me. Don't you run away from me. But I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you.
Leave me alone. You want to go inside, you little dog? No, you're staying in here.
Sal,
Come on.
come on, you gotta get some exercise. You gotta get some exercise, you know.
One rep, let's go. No, down it. Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, Luke did a bit more to the shed. That's exciting. Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
A little bit more organised. Besides all that.
Yeah, nice. We're just gonna take the roof rack off, and we are going to, let me show you. We are just going to weld in a bit of this. It's 12mm reinforcement bar that you use in concrete. So high tensile, I think it will probably work. Oh yeah, so Luke has bought some steel. This is a 5mm sheet of steel for this table here,
Which is currently upside down.
which is currently upside down. So we're gonna have a real long table to use.
welding long straight things.
Huge straight pipe exhausts. Yeah, if you want to see a giant 4-inch exhaust on Luke's car,
We have to do a bit of an intro on that first.
yeah, next episode. Oh, just a little side note, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, it doesn't cost you anything. We really do
It helps
appreciate
out.
it, and it really does help us out, like, honestly, seriously.
It does.
It
The
does.
channel is trying to get started.
Yes,
Would help.
yes, it helps.
So, feeling generous for the day?
Yeah, if you're feeling like a real good bloke or woman,
Yep.
give us a subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you have any ideas for
Always been
videos, then hit us up. I mean, why not? We can do it.
good. Criticisms?
Criticisms, yeah. If you don't like my face every week, then fine.
We'll get Sally
Fine.
instead.
Sally can take my place. She's not as good at welding, but she's still pretty good.
Small improvement, I reckon.
It's a small
If
improvement.
anyone's that's going to do this.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend this design, to be brutally honest. Yeah, anyway, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do that for us. We'll be eternally grateful. And we thank you so much for joining us. Again.
Till next time.
Till next time, have a good one. Catch you later. See ya. Bye. See you later. Catch you later. Catch you later.
And hello again.